This is how I look without makeup. Don't worry, I'm not singing the whole song. I'm just going to show you how I am using foundation by Maybelline as my concealer. This is how I am able to wear less makeup, mainly because I focus on the area that I want to enhance, or I guess make look better. I am not ashamed of my dark circles. I am not ashamed of me not having makeup on. However, I do understand that makeup has the ability to help you find confidence in yourself, because you are giving yourself self-care by doing your makeup. And it doesn't matter if you like to put on piles of it or if you're like me and like to use the least amount of it as possible. In this video, you are seeing me do the most simplest routine when it comes to my makeup. I don't wear a lot for a reason, because it's hot here in Florida. When it is hot, it's been cold the past couple of days, but when it is hot here, I don't like the look of my makeup looking like it's running off of my face. So Maybelline has been the best for me at this point in age. I'm 46 years old now. So I love to strobe. This is called strobing. If you don't know, it's highlighting, but it used to be called strobing, I believe, like in 2017 or somewhere in there, 2017. But this is where they were calling this highlighting. They were calling it strobing. And these are the points on my face that I like to be highlighted the most. My cheeks, the bridge of, the front of my nose, and my forehead. And then I finish off by using a nice pinky lip. I don't like pink, y'all, but I'm trying it because it's new and it's from the dollar store. And I kind of like it. It looks better, not on camera, if that makes sense. But yeah. If you're interested in finding out why my hair looks like this now, just check out my playlist on my tapered locks. I just recently uploaded a video about my hair. But yeah, this is what I look like with makeup. And this is Maybelline Fit Me, best in the world.